Hi, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can add table of content to your WordPress website. So if you are using rankmath, then that is a good news. Now you can use rankmath to install table of content in your blog post. So as you can see that in version 3.0.26 they have introduced the table of content block. So you don't have to rely on any third-party tool to generate the table of content in WordPress. So you can just do that using the rankmath SEO plugin. So let me just show you how you can do that. So for this, let me just go to WordPress dashboard and I will click on plugin here. Now let's go to rankmath SEO and let's update the rankmath plugin first. Okay, now the plugin is updated. Let's go to the post here and let me just edit this post here. Okay, so if I scroll down here, as you can see that there are several H2 tags in this post, and if I click on the I button here, you can see that the H2 tags are there in this blog post. So to add table of content in WordPress, you just need to click on the plus icon here, and here you need to browse all, and here as you can see that table of content is now added by rankmath. So just click on here, and as you can see that the table of content is now added to our blog post. And here you can exclude certain heading tag like H5 tag and H6 tag, and you can also hide H4 tags here, and here you can ignore the H1 tag. So in this way you can choose the tag that you want to add in your table of content, and here you can change the title wrapper of the table of content to div like that. Okay, now you can change it to number here, and you can change it to bullet point here, and here you can change the alignment like this. So let's click on number here. Now let's update this post. Now let's view this post here, and let me just scroll down, and as you can see the table of content is now added to our WordPress website. So let's click on rankmath here, and as you can see that it jumped me to the rankmath headings. Let's click on internal link manager, and as you can see that it jumped to that section. So this is how easy to add table of content using the rankmath plugin. So I hope you got the idea how to use the table of content in WordPress. And if you want to use the rankmath plugin, then I will leave the link in the description. So you can go and sign up for the free account and use the table of content block in your WordPress website. So if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.